Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to turn the Green Club toy shed to a beach hut. So I start with emptying everything out, and then I use a biscuit coloured paint and I'm going to coat it all over the shed, inside and out, 2 coats, so it starts the transformation to beach hut. I didn't want to use a white, I wanted to use like an off-white, so it gives it that beachy beach hut look. And then I separate the clubhouse by using a screwdriver to loosen the glue. And in the corner there's a video of the Green Club toy shed and the original video from last year of how it was put together. And you can find the link in the description. Then I start on the roof and I have an Aqua blue tester paint pot. It's only little, but it will do the effect that I want on the whole beach hut. So I give everything 2 coats to make sure that it's nice and level. Paint all the front, all the sides. I leave the back though. Then I start the stripes, blue and biscuit. And I go over everything twice to make sure that it's nice and level and the colour pops. And I think it's really starting to look like a beach hut now. I think if you walked along the seafront and you look at them beach huts, I think it could fit in quite well. Then I start on the front with the stripes, and it's almost done with the painting. Then I have a couple of little hinges. These are 2 centimeters, and these have a little hooking mechanism at the front, so that when I make the doors, they can open and close then. And I make the doors by gluing 6 lollipop sticks together. I paint all the doors and I remove the table from inside and paint them all biscuit as well, so they're all nice and plain. And then what I will do is I stick the door to the hinge and it can open and close. And before I stick the doors to the frame, I'm just going to paint these in stripes, sticking to the biscuit and the aqua blue. And I do inside as well as out. And I make sure I give everything 2 coats so that it pops. Then I paint the ladder blue, and then I'm going to go each step aqua blue and biscuit. And I make sure I give everything 2 coats again. Then I start on the hammock, which you'll find the instructions for on the next video that will be coming up next week. Then I have 2 cute picture frames, and we have over 200 stickers that you'll see on the next coming up video when I do the beach hut accessories. And they're really cute stickers, and these are mini picture frames that you can get from Poundland. And then I use a glue gun to stick the frames to the wall. And remember, adult supervision when using a glue gun, because things can get very hot. And then the table that I painted blue and white, I'm re-gluing back into the beach hut. And then it can fold away for more space. And then I have 3 cute picture frames with cute stickers on. And you'll see these in the upcoming, these are part of the 200 stickers that I went through. It's about a 4 or 5 minute video, so there's going to be lots of stickers coming up to choose, that I choose from. So then I place these on the wall, stick these using a glue gun. And I think these are super cute, the little pictures. And then I have some meat netting that I thought I could use as a fish net. So this is about 12 inches, and then I just glue that using the glue gun. Then I have some cute shells, sea fish. You'll see this in the next upcoming video, in the next one. And then I glue the hinge for the beach hut to be jointed back together again. And I made sure that 2 lollipop sticks were loose so that I could glue them back. And now I glue the shutter to the hinge. Make sure it opens and closes. And then I do the same on the opposite side. And then I have solar window film, which I'm going to fill in the beach hut windows with. And it's kind of metallic, so you can see out, but no one can see in. And then what I do is I measure the window, trim 2 pieces, and then I use my glue gun to glue it in. And it's really kind of simple. And then I do the opposite side. And here's a look at the whole beach hut, the outside. I think it really came together really well. And I think inside looks so cute with the little picture frames, the hammock. These are the shells that I used, and what I'm going to do is in the lights that I had from last year, I'm going to put all little seahorses and little fish. And as I line them up, I just like to put them all in the rafters, just so it looks cute. And here's the beach hut all put together with all the accessories, and you'll see a lot more of that in the next upcoming video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.